In the book, The God You Can Know, author Dan DeHaan notes that many of the questions about life and finding God's will that we often have often stem really from a lack of understanding of the nature and the character of God. Sadly, it's possible to attend church for years and still not be very knowledgeable in many of the key doctrines and teachings of the Christian faith. Furthermore, our culture is so full of competing ideas and belief systems that can tend to pull us away from the truths that we find in Scripture. As the pastor of LifePoint, one of my primary responsibilities is to equip the saints for ministry and to educate people in the foundational truths of the Christian faith. To help us do this, we're going to be launching a series of videos that will attempt to give an overview of many of the key aspects of Christian belief and theology designed to help educate you in the Christian faith. These videos are going to be pretty short, just 3 to 4 minutes in length so that you can quickly listen to and process the information. But they're going to cover a very broad spectrum of topics such as the formation of Scripture, the Trinity, and the character and nature of God. To cover such a wide range of topics is obviously going to take a little bit of time, but it's our hope that by the end of this, you're going to have a very valuable resource designed to help strengthen you in your faith. And we would like to ask you to commit to a couple of things in a response to these videos. One, just to simply make a commitment to view these videos and even share them with others in the weeks and the months ahead. And second, to take a moment to subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to receive updates on when these videos are posted in the weeks ahead. I look forward to embarking on this journey together with you, and it is my prayer that this will help you to grow in your love for God and your desire to know Him more fully.